Welcome to CDG Training, a global leader in online training and certification. Are you ready to advance your career and become an expert in ISO 14298 Internal Auditor standards? Our ISO 14298 Internal Auditor course is designed to provide you with comprehensive knowledge and skills. Learn about risk management, security printing processes, and compliance with our detailed course modules. Enjoy the flexibility of self-paced learning, allowing you to study at your own convenience. Engage with industry experts and fellow learners in our interactive virtual classrooms. Upon completion, receive a globally recognized certification that sets you apart in the industry. Boost your resume and open doors to new career opportunities with your ISO 14298 certification. Our certification is trusted by employers worldwide. Gain the confidence to lead internal audits and improve your organization's security printing processes. Access our training platform from anywhere, anytime, on any device. Our dedicated support team is here to assist you throughout your learning journey. Join thousands of satisfied learners who have transformed their careers with CDG Training. Visit www.cdgtraining.com to enroll in the ISO 14298 Internal Auditor course today. CDG Training, empowering professionals worldwide.